All right, welcome to this full overview of United Credit Education Services. And on the second part, we'll do an overview of financial education services. And I'm going to be your speaker. My name is Billy Scott. I'm an executive vice president with our company. That means my personal business does over $500,000 a month in sales every 30 days. My background is I'm an entrepreneur and a business owner from the entertainment space. I also have a background in marketing, leadership, and being a playing problem solver. I'm tuning in from the San Francisco Bay Area, where I reside with my family, my wife, 2 kids, and our dog. And it might sound like we come from a background of success, and not really. I mean, our entertainment businesses, we still have it, it's fun, but first thing is I was time broke. If I wanted to make a lot of money, I had to work 70 to 80 hours per week, a lot of time from family. And the second thing is there's no freedom. So if I don't work, I don't get paid. And in addition to those challenges, we hit a rough patch, a really big rough patch, to where we ended up with really bad credit, high debt in the 6 figures, and also had no insurance, no money in savings, and other financial challenges. And this platform is what turned things around for us. And so I encourage you to thank the person that introduced this to you, because it is very powerful. Let's get started. How many of you are familiar with Robert Kiyosaki? He wrote the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And he said, we were not taught financial literacy in school. It takes a lot of time to change your thinking and to become financially literate. I agree. Close to 90% of people have been raised in this country with no financial education. Right now, here's 5 shocking facts in our country. 1, we have over $1 trillion in credit card debt alone. Number 2, 56% of people have no money saved up for a rainy day. Number 3, 46% of baby boomers have less than $10,000 saved up for retirement. Number 4, millennials, 40% of them are overspending to try to keep up with their friends. And number 5 is 43 million people have less than a 600 credit score right now. I remember looking just like this guy over my financial situation. So how many of you know that it's good credit that makes it easier to get new houses and cars, low interest rates on credit cards and loans, higher limits, contracts without deposits? And a lot of companies won't hire you if your credit doesn't qualify. So we partnered with United Credit Education Services, and they're committed to helping individuals and families build, organize, and protect their financial future. They've been doing this for 16 years, since 2004, out of Farmington Hills, Michigan. They have a unique collection of services that are carefully selected to provide financial protection and opportunity. They're completely debt-free and have already helped tens and tens of thousands of clients, and the same key executive team is in place today. Now, they do all this through this membership here called the Protection Plan. If you notice, it's 12 benefits that are all included. 4 of them are for credit, and there's an additional 8 items that go far beyond your credit. This is important because if you just go to a company that fixes credit, you have close to an 80% chance to go back to bad credit. Because if they fix your credit but don't give you the financial education, then your old habits might return. So the first thing we do is focus on budgeting. This is provided through a tool on our website or our app, and it's going to focus on helping you know exactly what's going on with your money. The average person or family has hundreds of dollars per month that slips through the cracks, thousands of dollars per year. That same money, if it's budgeted better, could potentially lead to the down payment on a house, paying off debt sooner, the next vacation, college fund, or retirement. And it's all focused through this budgeting app that you'll have access to literally within minutes of becoming a member. The next thing is credit restoration. How does it work? Well, United Credit has permission through the Fair Credit Reporting Act that was passed by Congress, and this gives them permission to specialize in finding errors or inaccuracies with the negative items on people's credit reports. If you don't do this process correctly, then negative items sit on people's credit reports for 7 or more years. Our goal is to have these items removed in a matter of months. Everybody's credit is different. Some people need more work than others, but the target is for clients to begin seeing results in 45 to 90 days. But the whole process might be an average of 6 months, sometimes more, depending on how much work needs to be done. But the whole goal is to shave off years of you getting your buying power back with a satisfaction guarantee. We don't only focus on removing negative items, but Credit Builder focuses on building credit as well. It has tools and resources to help with that. It even has some tools that could potentially help with outstanding balances that you may owe, as well as some of the other credit challenges that come up. We have credit attorneys. If you have any legal challenges throughout the process, they'll give you assistance on navigating through that. We have a credit monitoring app called Smart Credit, and it does much more than just monitoring. It'll even provide your own virtual assistant that's going to give you a custom plan that breaks down exactly the steps you can do on your end to accelerate the credit building process. We have Debt Payoff. This is designed to kick out the fastest plan to get out of debt, save money, save interest, and do it all with the same income that you have coming in right now. Financial Lockbox. Now, this is an online cloud designed to help you protect and store your personal and financial information all in one place, and you can give a secondary person access to it in case of an emergency. We have identity theft protection that's included as well. We have a net worth calculator. A lot of people know the celebrities' net worths, but we need to know our own. This is what's going to determine the financial legacy that you build and leave for your loved ones. Savings goals is a tool to help you track your savings goals, increases the probability of you achieving those. And then the will and trust. Most people don't have this or it's not up to date. This is included in our membership. Instead of you paying $1,500 or more on average to sit with an attorney and get it done, it's included. And then the YFL Family Mint stands for Youth Financial Literacy. This brings financial education into the household so the family can learn, including the kids, starting at 8 years old. If you went to separate companies to get each of these benefits, how much do you think you would pay? Credit restoration alone is an average of $1,500 from reputable resources across the country. Will and trust is an average of $1,500. So if you continue to add all the other 10 benefits, it's thousands of dollars in value. The average person and family cannot afford that. So we made it affordable through our system. Less than $3 a day or $89 a month, you get everything we just talked about. The first month has a one-time setup fee, so it's $188 total the first month, and then $89 a month. Now look at this as an investment and not a bill. The goal is to save thousands, tens of thousands, and sometimes more over time by getting these finances in order by investing this $89 into this service. Lastly, we have a way for our clients to get their services for free. As soon as you get started, you can qualify for our referral program. You refer 5 or more people that get the service, then your $89 payment goes away the next month and it stays free as long as at least 5 of your referrals remain active. You're also partnering with the company that gives back. Every member's monthly payment, $2 per month, goes towards the YFL program, and that's how we bring it into the household. And we also take it into the community where we can partner with schools and teach an 8-week program through our company. And we give away scholarships every year. We gave away $400,000 this year. The amount increases each year, and it's powerful. Take control of your financial future today, and less than $3 a day, you get access to this program. So this is powerful. Now you can see why we're excited, right? The person that shared this with you was probably excited or very passionate. And now you can see that it's because we're offering something that's providing real solutions to a lot of people's problems. Now we want to switch gears into the FES presentation, which is Financial Education Services, the company that we are consultants with. We are like the marketing arm, and we just simply refer our clients to UCES. And they're the ones that services the client. So you're not going to be the credit expert. You don't even need to see their credit reports and their personal information, okay? You're literally referring these services, you get paid. Now, if you're like me and you tried businesses from home before and you didn't have success, I was there. If you almost gave up on the home business profession and that whole idea, that was me as well. But I remember reading a book on wealth, and it said that the average person that finally became financially free through business didn't make it their first couple of businesses. They learned from those businesses, and then finally they found the right opportunity. This could potentially be that for you, so I would pay close attention to this referral program. Let's talk about it. FES provides its agents the ability to build a business by marketing innovative financial literacy tools, products, and services. So all we do is use the company's tools like this video. We have websites, live overviews, and more to share the services with other people. And when they get started, you get paid. Right now, we're in what's called a gig economy. Over 16 million people have some kind of side gig. Some of them are on the screen: Lyft or Uber, Airbnb, Amazon. Maybe you DJ, right? Maybe you are a hairstylist, right? So I think that number is going to at least double over the next 12 months because people are waking up and realize they should take their financial future in their own hands, or that they should have more than one stream of income. But most people's income from their job or even their side gig comes in through what we call linear income. Money that only comes in when you work. That was the same case for me and my entertainment company. If you don't work, you don't get paid. That includes real estate professionals, doctors and lawyers, right? They need to work to continue to have income. I wanted to cross over to the right side, what Robert Kiyosaki calls financial freedom. He said the definition of financial freedom is when your passive income that comes in whether you work or not begins to exceed your monthly expenses. And we do that through residual and passive income. So here, what you'll do is you make FES your side hustle, where you get rewarded for referring clients to our protection plan products. You only heard about our main product. We have all of these products available as well, including FES Cellular. So now people can get discounts on cell phone service, $49 a month, powered by Sprint and T-Mobile. We have FES Travel, discounts on travel. We have My Healthcare to Go, telemedicine. You know, I have a friend not too long ago, his son woke up with a medical emergency. He was able to get a doctor on FaceTime, diagnose what was going on, get a prescription, and get all that taken care of without ever having to step into a hospital. Very powerful program. Guys, what better way to make a living than making a difference, helping people improve their financial well-being? There's a lot of ways we can help people. I think helping them become financially stable is one of the most important things we can do for people. So let's talk about how this works. I'm going to give you some examples. None of these are guaranteed, not because this doesn't work, but because just like your gym can't guarantee you muscles or losing weight, right? Because they can't guarantee your work level, right? But I'm going to give you some examples of how this compensation plan works. Every time you refer a client to our services, they pay $188 on your referral website. You are going to get paid $100 next week on Thursday, direct deposit. What if you referred 5 people per week? That would be $2,000 a month. 10 people a week is $4,000 a month. 20 customers a week is a 6-figure income. And you're going to get $12 a month residual income for every client after 3 months of them enrolling. You start getting $12 a month out of every monthly payment they make from that point on, right? So can you imagine? The question we usually get at this point is, where would I get these customers from? Well, we teach you as a part of your training how to share it on social media and potentially get customers, how to get business offline, how to partner with professionals like real estate professionals who have clients that need help. We have a lot of organizations or even ministries that bring us in to share this with their members. So we train you and teach you all those things once you partner with us. Now, how many of you agree? Teamwork makes the dream work, right? If you work for a company, you're a part of their team, right? If you're a real estate agent, you're a part of that broker's team, and there's nothing wrong with that. But why not build a team of your own for your dream to work, right? Part-time. When you refer other referral agents, and of course these agents have their own protection plan, you will get paid anywhere from $100 to $560 each time, depending on what level you're at in the comp plan. But when they start to refer people, you start getting a percentage of their referrals, anywhere from $60 up to $460 each referral that they make. See, that's how you create passive income or leverage. J. Paul Getty, one of the first billionaires in our country, said, I would rather receive 1% of my income from helping 100 people versus 100% of my income only comes from my effort. Because if something happens to me, then I can't make income. So you want to create leverage. And guess what else? All the customers that your team refers, you will begin to get a percentage of all your team's customers' monthly payments as well. So I hope you're adding up all the different ways we get paid. We have an infinity bonus. This is kicks in after you get the 3rd promotion or higher. You begin to get an additional bonus check, which is going to be a percentage of all the sales your team did the month before. It starts off at an average of $50. You go up a couple levels. Now it's $500 per month as a bonus check on average. At vice president, now it's a $1,500 bonus on average. Go up a couple levels, $10,000 bonus on average. Next level, $22,000 on average, $62,000 at the next level per month. Now, these are averages. Some people's bonuses are a little less, some are a little more. These are the averages, but this is in direct correlation with the number of people you help. You help nobody, you get no money. But if you help a lot of people, you have the potential to get some big bonuses included in this compensation plan, guys. Now, we have additional rewards you can earn. This is not going to happen overnight. They take time, right? This isn't a get rich quick if that's what you're looking for. But look at the bonuses that you have the potential to earn as you go out and help more people. We have a car bonus from $600 to $1,500 a month that can be earned. Cash bonuses of $10,000, $25,000, and $50,000 bonuses. A house payment bonus of $5,000 a month. And then we have retirement bonuses and lifestyle bonuses you can earn. Guys, this is phenomenal. I've never seen a compensation plan structure like this in my 17 years in the home business profession. Now, training tools and support are all available. This is why you can have no experience and still learn this business. As soon as you get started, within minutes, you get your own websites, online back office, live agent and customer support. You have the potential to earn income weekly. You can earn free life insurance, professional marketing materials. You can earn rewards and bonuses, get trained weekly, tax advantages, and an opportunity to help other people. Usually to start your own business, guess what? It's an average of $30,000 and up. But we show people how you can get started here for $288 one time. That includes your services and all your business tools, and then $89 a month for the service. But remember the power of 5. You refer 5 customers or agents, and guess what? Your services become free and they stay free as long as 5 or more of your referrals remain active. At the end of these overviews, we usually have 3 categories where people find themselves. The A category says, you know what? I'm ready to go. Sign me up. It's $288 to get started. It takes 5 minutes. Get back with the person that shared this video with you. The B category says, before I get started, I have a couple questions, and we can help you with that afterwards. And the C category stands for customers. And that's a smart decision. You could get started just as a customer for $188 and then $89 a month. But remember, if you add $100 to that, you can get started with both. So the secret to getting ahead is to get started. The difference between the doers and the dreamers is those that take action. So get started. We're looking forward to welcoming you, giving you the support and tools you need. And we'll see you guys over the top. Have a good one.